Google just released Gemini 2.0. But is it enough? Yesterday, Google launched Gemini 2.0, sparking a new wave of AI competition. As tradition goes, Google's latest large language model, LLM, comes in various confusingly named versions. But once again, Google seems to be trailing behind, with its most powerful model ranking lower than OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo, DeepSeek R1, and Claude 3 in benchmark tests. When it comes to AI, anything less than first place feels like a loss for Google. But here's the twist. Despite the benchmarks, Gemini 2.0 might actually be Google's biggest win in AI so far, and here's why. Unlike its competitors, Gemini dominates in real-world applications while keeping costs significantly lower. One example, a user demonstrated how Gemini can process 6,000 pages of PDFs at a fraction of the cost, with better accuracy than anything else on the market. Google's struggles and hidden wins. Google has taken quite a few losses in recent years. The antitrust lawsuits, the controversial AI-generated images, and yesterday's Alphabet stock dip due to underwhelming cloud revenue. But within these losses, Google has also managed some key victories. And Gemini might be its strongest move yet. Gemini's secret weapon, insanely low. Costs one of Gemini's biggest advantages, pricing. For comparison, generating 1 million tokens with GPT-4 Turbo costs $10. The same with Gemini Flash 2, which Google claims is even better, costs just 40 cents. That's a 96% discount. Even DeepSeek, known for being cost-effective, had to drop its prices in response. Google also offers a lighter, faster, and cheaper model, as well as a more powerful Pro version. Game-changing features. Gemini isn't just affordable, it can also do things other LLMs can't. For example, it's the only AI chatbot that can watch YouTube videos and generate insights based on them. That said, it's still not the strongest in pure computational benchmarks. It lags behind OpenAI for high-level math and science tasks. But surprisingly, Gemini currently ranks number 1 in the LLM arena, a blind comparison test, where users rank AI models without knowing which one they're using. How it compares for developers. For developers, the best benchmark is Web Arena, where Gemini 2.0 ranks 5th, tied with OpenAI's GPT-4 Mini, while models like Sonnet and DeepSeek take the top spots. Still, Google is making waves in AI beyond text models. Its Imagen model is currently leading the text-to-image leaderboard, proving that Google isn't out of the generative AI race just yet. Google is keeping Gemini proprietary, but it recently made a big move for the open-source community by open-sourcing Pebble OS, the software from the legendary Pebble smartwatch, which, by the way, is making a comeback. Additionally, Google has an open-source AI family called Gemma, but it will need some serious upgrades to compete with models like DeepSeek. Building with AI? Here's the best way to deploy your code. If you're an AI developer, choosing where to deploy your code is just as important as choosing your model. That's where Savala, today's video sponsor, comes in. Think of Savala as the modern successor to Heroku, a fast, reliable way to deploy full-stack apps, databases, and static websites, all powered by Google Kubernetes Engine and Cloudflare. No messy YAML configs, no headaches. Just connect your Git repo or Docker image provision resources, click deploy. Not only does it host your app with DDoS protection, CDN caching, and real-time analytics, but it also automates your CI/CD pipelines for seamless deployments. So, if you're building with AI, Savala is worth checking out. Don't forget like and subscribe this channel for more updates. See you in next video.